This is how you can change a private account to a public account or a public account to a private account on Instagram. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app. Head to your profile. On your profile, tap on your profile picture. Tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Next is settings. Tap on settings, tap on privacy. This is account privacy. This particular account is a public one. If I want to make it a private account, I will simply toggle on this button and switch to private. When you switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message you or at mentions. Since this public account is now a private one, you can review your followers. If there are any of your followers you don't want to see your posts and stories, you can remove them. These are my followers. If there's any of them I don't want to follow me to see my posts and my stories, I will simply remove the person. This is now a private account. To make this a public account once again, I will simply follow the process. Tap on your profile picture, tap on settings, next is privacy. I will toggle on this button, switch to public account. When you switch to public account, anyone can see your posts, your reels, your stories, and use your original video. This won't change who can message, tag, or at mention you. All pending follow requests will be approved unless you delete them. People can remix your reels and download them as part of a remix. You can change this in settings. This is how you can change an Instagram account from a private account to a public one or vice versa. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one.